Welcome to this NX model-based definition and PMI training class overview. I'm Michael Pinto, an application engineer and instructor here at Swoosh Technologies. In my role at Swoosh, I have the privilege of assisting our customers by providing training on various aspects of the Siemens NX software. This training aims to enhance your productivity and proficiency in using the software. By thoroughly understanding the NX software interface and its features, users can improve their efficiency and product design while using NX. In just 2 days, you will gain the skills to effectively view, create, and edit product and manufacturing information within NX CAD. This course is designed for individuals with prior experience in NX and familiarity with its user interface. Throughout the training, you'll cover a robust agenda including Introduction to NX PMI, creating and using views for PMI, editing PMI dimensions and annotations, referencing PMI in assemblies, and many more topics related to model-based definition and PMI application in your parts. By the end of this class, you will have the tools and know-how for applying model-based definition to your parts using PMI with confidence. Enroll now and secure your virtual classroom seat today.